As you can see by this plank here and these planks here, I've already had to fix this issue once. But now once again, some little cunts have gone and smashed in two more and one of the support panels from underneath. So this bridge is going to need repairing. Alright, so we're going to use a couple of these meshes that I was using them for my fucking plant pots to stop the squirrels from getting in there. But for now, they're going to have to be replaced as a different purpose. Let's get these cut up to size. That's one down. As you can see here, I'm removing this top set of boards. Under here, there's still one left from my first repair, and the two that got ripped up from here and across in the middle are there. Right, so I have to pull this up and replace both of them with that large plywood board that I've brought over here. Look at the absolute disgrace of this. Look at the size of these holes that have been kicked in it. Look at the size of the bridge. It's disgusting. This is a nature reserve. It's been months since this first bit got damaged and not a single person have came to fix it. So I decided that both of those sheets are probably best placed on this bigger hole. This one will be alright once it's got the board over it. It's going to cover all the way to the end anyway. But this needs that extra support, because if anyone decides they're going to try re-stamp it through, it'll just clean through it. It's just a thin board of plywood. Look at that arrangement. Look at that arrangement. Perfect. Got the trusty gold hammer with me today. Does a perfect job for these tiny little U-hooks. U-nails. Perfect. Don't quote me on it, but I'd say this is probably safe enough to walk on by itself now. So it's time to install the board. Perfect. This is the best way I see I can cover it. It looks about good. Let's get it all screwed in. 3 down, 11 to go. And done. Thought I'd quickly tack down this section before I left just to make sure no one would end up ripping that up and tripping.